easy go.
Hello everyone, my name is Sari Bansal. You have commented me on this channel that you need chapter 4 videos. So I am making chapter 4 videos. Let's begin with exercise 4.1, question number 1. So the question number 1 is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Take the cost of a notebook to be rupees X and the cost of a pen to be rupees Y. So the answer is, let the cost of a notebook be rupees X. Okay, and the cost of a pen be rupees Y. Okay, according to the question, cost of a notebook is equal to twice the cost of a pen. So 2 into cost of a pen. Okay, so cost of a notebook be rupees X and 2 cost of a pen rupees Y. So the linear equation in two variables to represent this statement is X is equal to 2Y. So in this equation are two variables. So this is linear equation in two variables. Now coming to the question number 2. So the second question is, express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Okay, so the first part is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35. So in this case, how we can write it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? So 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 can be written as 2x plus 3y. Here it is positive, so in this side negative. Minus 9.35 is equal to 0. Okay, so here a is equal to, here a is multiplied by x. So 2 is multiplied by x. So a is equal to 2. B is equal to, here b is multiplied by y. So here y is multiplied by 3. So b is equal to 3. And c is equal to c. So minus 9.3. Okay, now coming to the second part. X minus y upon 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. So it is as it is written in this form. Okay, so here a is equal to, a is not multiplied by anybody, so it is multiplied by 1. Okay, so b is equal to, y is not multiplied by anybody, we cannot say it because y is in minus, so it is multiplied by y minus 1 and upon 5. Okay, and c is equal to minus 10. Okay, now coming to the third part. So third part is minus 2x plus 3y is equal to z is equal to 6. So how can we return it? Minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 can be written 3y. So here is positive, here negative. Minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here is equal to, here a is equal to minus 2. B is equal to 3. And C is equal to minus 6. Okay. Now coming to the fourth part. So fourth part is x is equal to 3y. So here x is equal to 3y can be written as x, here positive, so here is negative, minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. Here we have not mentioned any c, so we write 0. Okay. So here a is equal to, x is not multiplied by anybody, it is multiplied by 1. B is equal to minus 3. And C is equal to 0. Now coming to the fifth part. So the fifth part is 2x is equal to minus 5y. So how can we write it? 2x is equal to minus 5y can be written as 2x, here is negative, so here is positive, plus 5y plus 0 is equal to 0. Okay. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 0. Okay. Now coming to the sixth part. So sixth part is 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here y is missing. So 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 can be written as 3x plus 0.y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. If there is any variable missing, we write it 0.y. Okay. So here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 2. Okay. Now coming to the seventh part. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. So y minus 2 is equal to 0 can be written as, here x is missing. So 0.x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now coming to the eighth part. 5 is equal to 2. So the eighth part is 5 is equal to 2x. Okay. So 5 is equal to 2x can be written as minus 2x plus 0.5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So here a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 5. Okay. We have taken 2x here as minus 2x and 0 is not written, so it is 0.5. So y is not written, so it is 0.5. Okay. So we have completed our exercise 4.1. Now we will continue our chapter 2 in next video. Thank you.